Japan is the cleanest country in the world, hands down. I mean, just take a look at their garbage trucks. They're so spotless, you'd think they just rolled off the assembly line. But nope, they've been in use for years. So, what's the secret? Well, it's all about the attention to detail and the work ethic of the garbage collectors. They take pride in their work, and it shows. Before they hit the streets, they wipe down the tires with water and a towel to keep the roads clean. That's dedication, folks. And let's talk about their garbage system. It's like a well-oiled machine. They've got separate bags for different types of trash, and the garbage trucks pick it up at designated times and places. It's like clockwork. But here's the thing. Japan's garbage collectors aren't just any ordinary workers. They're civil servants, and they're well paid and respected for their work. That's why they take pride in what they do. And it's not just the garbage trucks. Even the cement mixer trucks are spotless. You'd think they just came from the factory. But what really gets me is the street drains, folks. You can actually find fish swimming in the water. That's how clean their water recycling system is. It's like a whole different world. So let this be a lesson to us all. Japan's got it right when it comes to taking care of their environment and their communities. We could all learn a thing or two from their attitude towards work and cleanliness.